birthday! Hope na naging masaya ka for this event.
Fingertips out on the line, reach for the glimmer in the night.
Ang wish ko sa'yo, mahabang buhay pa, magandang pagsasama, at good health. Hindi lang sa'yo, sa buong pamilya.
Secrets pouring out into the surface.
Happy birthday, Tita Baby! Love you!
Ang marriage hindi naman perfect yan eh. Maski paano sa mag-asawa may away. Pero umabot kami sa ganitong sitwasyon, okay naman kami. Wala kaming problema sa buhay. Sabi nga nila, kaysa naman sa maswerte kami sa mga anak namin.
Happy birthday, Tita! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Rita! We love you!
The reason why I had a very, very happy high school days because of this person.
Happy 60th. 60? Tama ba? 50. 50 pala. Nagkamali po pala ako. 60, kala ko 60. 50 po pala. Sorry.
Come stand with me down under the stars at night. Come look with me from
Mula high school hanggang ngayon, BFF pa rin kami. Nakaka-nervyos, hindi ako makapagsalita. Ano ba yan?
to arrive. I was waiting for the moment to arrive, and I wouldn't miss it for the
Mo ako anak, pero alam ko naging anak mo ako sa puso mo. Salamat, Ma. Salamat po talaga.
Happy birthday. Sana maraming birthday pa ang darating. And good health. Happy birthday. Love you.
for the moment to arrive. I was waiting for you, and I wouldn't miss it for the